Like, I really have to whack that. I am gonna have so much fun with this product. You're gonna help me unbox. Oh, that's weird. This is every creator's dream. It's a way to go hands-free. This thing goes around your neck or whatever phone you have, magnetizes right here. I saw it on Amazon and I said, you know what? Today I'm gonna get it. I'm constantly doing cooking and DIY and, you know, different videos about crafting and stuff. Whoa. Okay, real talk. This is heavy duty. I don't know if you can tell, but this is heavy. This is very substantial. I thought I was buying like this very, you know, trendy product and that was gonna come in cheap. And this feels very quality. This feels premium. This is solid. This is what's gonna hold your phone. And this is solid. I'm gonna show you how I put this on and then I'm gonna have to put the camera on it. So here it is. Here is my hands-free device. Right here on the side is a button and you're gonna push that button and it's gonna release the little necklace part. And that's gonna clip right in. Whoa, that felt good. Okay, look at this. This is insane. This feels good. This is comfortable. This doesn't feel overwhelming. I thought I was gonna feel a little claustrophobic, but this feels good, actually. So I'm gonna put the camera on and I guess you'll see what this first person looks like, but I'm really excited about this. Okay, this angle is not what I intended. This is probably what my son looked like when he was born, when he was looking up at me. We are attached. We are hands-free. Look at that. And I'm going to just like move this around to show you what it's like hands-free. And I'm staying relatively still. Hopefully it's not too shaky. I love this so much. Okay, so after I'm done with the product, then I'm gonna get onto my computer and I am gonna have so much fun with this product. You know what, let's go find something to do. For all my creators out there, do you have one of these? And if so, do you love it? Or is this like the only time I'm gonna feel so much joy in a creator tool? I'm gonna have to give this like 30 days at least to kind of figure out the best thing here. So instant reaction, I think I'm gonna love this. I truly think I'm gonna love it. This does feel like a very premium product. It does not, I swear, I was like, I'm gonna be buying this like a viral cheapo beepo product and it's not. It feels very quality, like especially this thing. Like you can adjust this like however you need to. So I'm gonna let go of that, put it down and look at that. That is my smartphone magnetic holder for first person camera angles. If you have one of these, let me know. Drop a comment, let me know, and let's chat because I think I'm gonna love this. Your phone, if it's MagSafe, has that magnet, clips right here. Isn't that so easy? You can do, you know, your horizontal shots. You can do vertical. I think it's very secure. Like, I really have to whack that to get it off.